Yeah, right. Today we will see the installation of Arduino IDE. So just go to Chrome and then type Arduino IDE installation or download. It's very simple. Arduino IDE download in Chrome. Use better results you will get once you do search in Google. So first website you will get arduino.cc. Use that website, and based on the versions like Windows type Windows 10 or Linux or Mac, based on the OS you can select it. So I'm selecting mine is a Windows based OS, so I will select Windows 10. Just click, then you'll get some message for contribution. If you are interested you can contribute, or just click on just download. So still, if you want to provide your details you can provide, or else you can just click on just download. And this is for fast process, and here download is happening now. My download is completed, so just click on open folder or show in folder, and then once you double click the installation will begin. Just click I agree and click anyone who uses this computer. You can provide your like privileges you can use for only for yourself or any users. Then click next, click yes, click I agree, install. So it's a very fast process. It will install within just a couple of minutes only. So yes, installation is happening. So many Arduino boards it will support, like Arduino UNO, Arduino Nano, Arduino Mega, and some additional boards if we need to use like esp32 or nodemcu. In that case some more extra steps are there, extra libraries we need to configure in our Arduino IDE. Those steps also we'll see in this video, because for IoT projects nodemcu and esp32, for machine learning based projects esp32 libraries will be needed. Even Arduino IDE we can use for Raspberry Pi Pico W controllers. So now installation is completed. If I want to use it I can press yes. So Arduino IDE is available right now. Once installation is done, go to any example and take any one example, any example. Just compile and check. For compiling we have to select a board, and by default, or because last time I've used Arduino UNO, so Arduino UNO board is selected, and we can see the Arduino board selected by just checking here at the bottom of the Arduino IDE. So here selected board is Arduino UNO. So anyway, if you want to change we can just click here, select other board and port options, then type your Arduino controller which you want to use. Right now I'm having Arduino UNO, use it, Arduino UNO. And then if I connect the controller with my USB, it will show the port also on the right side. So it is showing the port, select the port, click OK, and click on compiling for checking errors. And for uploading just click this button, upload button, sidewise arrow mark. One code is uploaded, it will show the status over here, done uploading. So code is uploaded presently. Fine, this is how we can install the Arduino and we can use. Next step we will see how to use nodemcu. Fine. And so next part is installing nodemcu in our Arduino IDE. So for that purpose we need to go to the Chrome only. Just go to Chrome. If you use Google search engine, that is will provide you better results. Just type install nodemcu in the Arduino IDE. So some setup steps you get you can use from step tables also, or random math tutorials. Anyone will use step tables. So just go to fifth step. One link is provided. Copy that link. All the steps are provided over here. Just copy this link. Right click and copy link, and go to your Arduino IDE and go to files, and go to preferences. Then here additional board manager will be there, one option. Just click over there and then paste it here, then click OK. So here all files related to nodemcu are installed. This is simple. Just once you click on preferences and go to additional board manager and paste here that link and click OK, automatically the files will be loaded. You can check whether the nodemcu installation has happened or not by just clicking here. Click on select other board on board and type here nodemcu. Yes, nodemcu is available here and click OK. So right now that board I am not having in the stock, otherwise I would have used that board and uploaded some code and tested. In the other videos we will be seeing. So this was about installing nodemcu in Arduino IDE. So yes, for machine learning based projects, if you are doing using Arduino IDE, we may use esp32cam. In that case, we need to install the esp32cam libraries. So just type on Chrome, go to Chrome, type esp32cam, install in Arduino IDE. Better for this random net tutorial, they have provided very good like options for doing this, so you can use that one, that website. All the installation steps are there, so yes, fine. So yes, here in the second step it is provided that this is the link. We need to copy it, copy this link and go to files and preferences. In Arduino IDE, go to Arduino IDE, then click on preferences, then go to additional board manager. So previously some link was there, I will delete that link and then add the new link for ESP32 and click OK. So automatically the library is get installed. And then you can check it just by pressing here, select other code, then AI, and click ESP32cam. If in any case it is not getting installed, just click OK. Then if you provide some options here, install manually or automatically, then press yes. Presently it got installed in my case, otherwise you need to press yes here. So this is about using ESP32 in Arduino. Mostly ESP32 will be used for machine learning based project like object identification, face recognitions, or iris recognition, many applications based on computer vision.